大家好，我係東房小廚。Welcome to Asian Delights Kitchen, a food recipe sharing and inspirational channel. Today I'm going to share with you on how to make spot prawn at home. Spot prawns are harvested in limited amounts every summer in the coastal North Pacific Ocean, from San Diego up to Alaska. They are the best shrimp I've ever had. The texture is delicate, almost buttery, providing a sort of melt-in-your-mouth sensation. Many have likened to have combination flavor of the best lobster that go with freshly churned butter. It is called san wu ha in Cantonese, which means coral shrimp based off its white spot on the shell. They are in beautiful red pinkish color. They are often called sweet shrimp in most Japanese restaurants. They would be served like sashimi together with deep-fried heads. When visiting California each summer, I would always buy more, freeze them and bring them home. Grilling is one of the best ways to cook them to keep the original prawn sweetness flavor. I'm using 1 pound of spot prawn today. Use scissors to cut off the excess antenna, the horn, because it gets really sharp. So be careful not to hurt yourself with it. I also like to cut the legs and pleo parts for easier handling. This will also absorb better with the seasoning later on. Next, use a toothpick to get rid of the sand vein on the underside. Use a skewer to poke through the spot prawn like this. I previously soaked the skewer in water. That way when we grill it won't get burned. Season with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, or just sprinkle evenly on both sides. Do the same with salt. I recommend using good quality salt to bring out the umami flavor. Sea salt or pink salt is a good choice. Let it marinate for 5 minutes or so. Then we are ready to grill. Preheat your grill to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Charred grill or cast iron grill will be the best. Grill for 2 minutes on one side. Brush some vegetable oil evenly on the prawns. Turn over and grill for another 2 minutes. Brush the oil again. Then turn around to cook 1 more minute on both sides to make the total cooking time to 6 minutes. Here you have it. Our easy, delicious grilled spot prawn is done. Let's have a taste test. Tear the head off or twist it like this. They should come off easily. Look at the prawns, so juicy and tender. I like it better than lobsters. All I need is a glass of white wine or an ice-cold beer. I hope you enjoy watching my video today. If you get a chance to buy these spot prawn, try this easy, yummy recipe at home and enjoy it with your loved ones. As always, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. 多謝晒。